Hi, Jessy. Sorry, I'm back again. That's just to review the E section where it's first. All right. Before that, I hope you still remember them by just reading along with me. Go to section E. Yes. And if you don't know the word, you can look at the word and write it according to what you see. So I want you to dictate. Number one word is look. I look. I look. Can you please write? Look. Yes, every word I will say 4 times because I want you to have enough time to write them. All right, next, number 2, I see. So you just write see. 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 Okay, I see. Number 3, I love. I love. I love. So the word number 3 here, you should write love. Okay. Number 4, I wave. I wave. I wave. So word number 4, please write wave. Yes. It's a very difficult word for you according to your young age. So I hope you will get it. If you're not, then still it's okay because I'm going to check with you the answers. Number 5, I kill. I kill. I kill. Okay, so the word number 5 is kill. Number 6, I like. I like. I like. So 6 here should be like. 7, I trade. I trade. I trade. The word number 7 is trade. Trade. So write trade. Now I'm going to check with you the answers if you finish. If not, just give you some more time. Yeah, last word is trade. Trade. You done? If you are not finished, you can always pause the video and go on. Finish it. After you finish and come here, we check it with my answers. So first is look. The second is see. The third is love. The 4th is wave. The 5th is kill. The 6th is like. And the 7th is trade. So here, the concept, okay, the idea is for you to know pronouns have different forms of verbs. For example, you have the following pronouns and you have to use the proper forms of the verbs. So use the same verb, but write down with the proper forms. So write all the following verbs down with the proper form. Okay, when you finish, please just shout them out loud. Okay, so this is one of the things that I would like to interact with you in class. So when you finish, yeah, you just tell me what you think. Is it too difficult or is it just easy enough for you? Okay, so now I want you to check with me your answers. You look, right? And you see. You love. You wave. You kill. You like. You trade. And you then do he. With he, what have you got? Yes, just read it along. Just read to yourself. He looks. He sees. He loves. He waves. He kills. He likes. He trades. Yes. And what about she? What would be she like to go with all these verbs? Okay, please then read to me. Does yours look like? She looks, she sees, she loves, she waves, she kills, she likes, she trades. Okay, does yours look like that? Or is it different? Then you need to remember how you use those verbs with proper forms. Okay, the last one is it. Okay, so how would you do it with those verbs then? Does yours look like this? It looks, it sees, it loves, it waves, it kills, it likes, it trains. Yeah, if yours are like that, then you've got it. Next, let's do some other exercise next time. But now we're going to come to the last part of your section E words. So the next word for section E, please turn to your primary learning log, section E. Okay, let's do the last two words with Miss Lara. All the previous words, can you read to me? Yes, it's take, look, see, make this your bad, love, short, wave, ring, kill, toy, like, wheel, fun, trade, rub, and then next one is wash. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash. Think to spell wash. Help me sound it out. How many syllables? One, right? Okay, so think to spell wash. Help me sound it out. W. A. The third sound of a. Sh. W. A. Sh. Wash. Now say it as we write it. You say it and you write it. Do you see? Yeah, I need to hear you say it. Okay. Okay, you have problem writing them. Okay, you forgot how to write? Right? Okay. Yes, Miss Laura anticipated that. So, yeah, look at what I write then with the clock face card. All right, I know you probably want me to like write in the blue, okay? I'll write in the blue. Looks like this. Start from baseline all the way up from 12 to 6. 6 all the way up to the middle line and then go down to baseline. All right. And go to the next clock so you don't follow anything here. Okay. Just do next to the clock. And what you do? You do the yeah. Try to do the like this. This is wash. Okay. Let's do it again. If you don't know how to do it, just follow me. Start from baseline all the way up from 12 to 6. All right. To the middle line. All right. To the bottom line and all the way up. Okay. That's how you do it. Wash. All right. From 7 to 12. 12 go down from 11 to 6. from 6 all the way up to middle line and with a hook. Wash. All right. Does yours look like mine? Yes. Then let me write it with what we should write with. Okay. So that's how we should write it. There's sound of a. Wash. All right. Any markings? Okay. Wash. With the red underline because what? It's a double letter phonogram, right? So wash your hands before you eat. Wash. So you know it's a verb, right? So you do something. You wash your hands. You wash your clothes. You wash your feet. Okay, now let's look at the last word, which is the word baby. The cold baby needs a blanket. Baby. You have a baby sister, Josephine, right? Baby. How many syllables with baby? 2, right? Think to spell baby. Help me sound it out. Write it up. Jessy, write it up. B. A, second sound of a, bay. Okay, second syllable. B. It, second sound of I. But a, bay, but e, b, baby. Now, repeat. B. A, second sound of a, bay. Second syllable, b, second sound of I, b, baby. Now say it as we write it, please. All right. Read the word written. Baby. Okay, dictate back to me. Dictate, Jessy. B. A, second sound of a, third syllable, second syllable, B. A, second sound of I, baby. So because this is a two syllables word, so you have to have space in between the syllables. Now let me ask you, Jessy, any markings with baby? Think about it. Yes, with the red underline A. Why do we underline A? Because A said A at the end of a syllable, right? A says A at the end of a syllable. Wow. Now, that's all for the section E. We will have to dictate all the section E words this coming week. So why don't we review them together? Great. By reviewing them, I want you to read them, each word, for at least 3 times. For example, you'll read baby, baby, baby for 3 times, and then go to the next word. Read all of them, all the 20 words for 3 times, and then we will dictate them. So this is part of your assignments. I will see you next Monday, Lord willing. I hope you have a good day. enjoying helping your mom with taking care of your sisters. Bye for now.